Hello, today we are going to learn the names of the months in Ga in less than a minute. Start the clock. January, Aharabata, Aharabata. February, Oflo, Oflo. March, Ochokrikri, Ochokrikri. April, Abebe, Abebe. May, Agbiana, Agbiana. June, Otukwaja, Otukwaja. July, Mawe, Mawe. August, Manyawale, Manyawale. September, Gbo, Gbo. October, Anton, Anton. November, Alimli, Alimli. December, Afuabe, Afuabe. Now let's take some time to practice together. I say it in English and you say it in Ga. Are you ready? Let's go. January. Great. February. Wonderful. March. Brilliant. April. Great. May. Excellent. June. Great. July. Perfect. August. Beautiful. September. Wonderful. October. You're doing really well. November. You're almost there. December. Afuabe. Great. Congratulations on completing this lesson on the months in Ga with me. Thank you very much for watching. And I hope you enjoy this great tutorial. How about a little thumbs up? You certainly deserve a thumbs up. Well done. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and share this video, share the knowledge, and share the fun of learning Ga. And please subscribe for more. Subscribe. Thank you very much. Oyiwala Don. Please subscribe for more. Remember to subscribe for more. Thank you.